Now that we have the data imported into the unit, let's take a look at it on the PC. We see the data file in the data file bar, so we select this file. At this point, we can create a host of canned reports. We can create a summary and setup report that will give us a summary of the tests, events, average readings, as well as energy projections for the days, weeks, months, and years. By clicking on Create Charts, trending the recorded data is easy. Once the chart is created, we can create scan lines to view individual values, as well as view the phase vector. We can view the recorded PQ events by clicking on the PQ event waveform analysis. In this screen, we can view the events as well as their waveforms. We can use this filter to only view the types of events of interest. We can create a detailed harmonic analysis of these events, viewing the actual harmonics magnitudes. We can view the data as a bar chart as well. We can analyze the harmonics through the 128th order. And we can create a PDF report of the harmonic analysis. We can now view the timed waveform analysis. This screen allows us to analyze individual harmonic values as well and see the associated waveforms. As with the event screen, we can create detailed harmonic analysis of the waveforms through the 128th order and create PDF reports. The recorded data can also be exported to Excel. Choose what to export, and then export the RMS data, the demand data, the harmonic or the interharmonic data to Excel. This screen will allow you to create your own data analysis templates. You can set multiple limits on all parameters. You can set limits on harmonic levels as well. You can save the templates for later use and transfer them to the MPQ analyzer later on. This way, the analysis can be done directly on the analyzer. With this feature, you can easily review a data file and see where the problems are. Now click in Create Setup File. You can easily create a custom setup file based on end-user complaints. Simply select your configuration, the declared voltage, and then select the end-user complaint. The software will automatically create the custom configuration to search for the problems that cause the selected issue. You can then click on the Advanced button to further customize the file if you desire. You can also set voltage and current ratios, modify event limits, and modify storage intervals, and much more. You can then transfer the setup file to either a USB stick or an SD card. You can connect directly to the MPQ using a USB cable. No communications configuration is required. The software will automatically locate the analyzer. The software also supports Ethernet communications. There is a remote screen that allows you to view the real-time data while the unit is in a remote location in the field. View data, start and stop recording, download data, and reprogram the analyzer. The MPQ, coupled with its powerful PC software, is everything that you could need.